Bam! What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna go to Palmer Park. We're gonna enjoy the day and you know, just kind of soak it in, just squeeze it. We're just gonna squeeze life today. It's so good. This is the best part about where Scott lives is his backyard is literally Palmer Park.
Oh yeah. See, the unit that I looked at was that one right there. Well, I actually had it under contract for $999,000.
Did you?
Yeah.
So why did it fall through?
No, my girl didn't like it. I went in, saw it, submitted a contract, got it, accepted it. Then I told my girl about it. She's like, I don't like it.
See, look at that right there behind us. Those are his townhouses, and here's the woods. Yeah. This is like the central park of Colorado Springs. It's like the center of the city, but they have like a little area designated where like nobody could build. How's it going, guys? Good, good. What's the goal, Scott? What'd you call it? Okay.
The lookout.
The lookout.
You can look out and see the entire city.
All the way down there. Yeah, no, I've never been there.
Yeah,
let's go. It's cool. I don't have health insurance. We're at the bottom of the valley now. Now we need to go back up. Scott wants to take a shortcut. That's the normal route. We're just going up the hill. We made it. This is the first time I've been here. It's an experience for us both. Dope. You get downtown and then you see it over there. It's all open up there against the hills. And then right there's a VA center and film one. Open hills there, and there's all open hills over there. And just breathe, just feel it.
It's like you gotta wait until they give up.
Okay, ready? Ooh. Let's take a step farther back. Oh. Oh, yes. All right.